Welcome back. In this video, we are going to solve a structural design problem that involves a column design using working stress method based on eStructural Design Taichi found on the App Store. Design a reinforced concrete rectangular column using working stress method that carries an actual load of 600 kips. Design criteria as follows: strength of concrete 6000 psi, vertical bars 1 and 1/8 inches diameter bar grade 60, lateral tie bars 3/8 inch diameter bar grade 33, steel ratio 5%. The column carries an actual load of 600 kips, assumed a self-weight of 3.67 kips, for a total load of 603.67 kips. Enumerate input parameters required. Column name C12, rectangular shape tied column, floor designation, ground to second, unsupported height 10 feet 6 inches, vertical bars 1 and 1/8 inches diameter at grade 60, lateral tie bars 3/8 inch diameter at grade 33, strength of concrete 6000 psi, steel ratio 5%, load classification pure axial, and total load of 603.67 kips. Given Fc prime equals 6000 psi, Fs equals 24,000 psi, and Fy equals 60,000 psi, the balance section properties are as follows: N equals 6.568, M equals 11.76. The reduction factor is 0.83 and the nominal load is 727.31 kips. The gross area of column is 316.91 square inches, column width is 14 inches, and column length is 24 inches. Given AG equals 336 square inches and 5% steel ratio, the area of steel is 16.8 square inches. The number of bars for 1 and 1/8 inches diameter is 18. 3/8 inch diameter tie bar spacing are as follows: 6 at 4 inches, 4 at 6 inches, rest at 10 inches. Design results are as follows: Fc prime equals 6000 psi, Fs equals 24,000 psi, column size is 14 inches by 24 inches by 10 feet 6 inches, vertical bars of grade 60, 18 pieces, 1 and 1/8 inches diameter bar, lateral ties of grade 33, 3/8 inch diameter bar, 4 sets spacing, 6 at 4 inches, 4 at 6 inches, rest at 10 inches. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel.